Hello, I'm Miss Aili from the Yonkers Library in New York, but for now I'm at home with all of my favorite books and I'd love to read them with you. I'd sing our welcome song. Ready? Welcome, welcome everyone. Now you're here, let's have some fun. Stories old and stories new. Fun for me and fun for you. Welcome, welcome everyone. Now you're here, let's have some fun. Today, we are reading stories about spring cleaning. And our first story is called Maisie Tidies Up by Lucy Cousins. Maisie is cleaning her house today. Ding dong! Oh, who can that be? It's Charlie. Come in, Charlie. You're just in time to help Maisie tidy up. Charlie can smell something delicious. What's that in the kitchen, Maisie? Lots of yummy cakes. Oh dear, the floor is still wet. You'll have to wait until it's dry, Charlie. While he's waiting, Charlie tidies up the toys. And Maisie vacuums the sitting room. Then Charlie cleans the windows from the inside, and Maisie cleans them from the outside. That looks better. At last, the kitchen floor is dry. Now Maisie and Charlie can have some cakes. Hooray! Well done, Maisie. Well done, Charlie. Enjoy your cakes. And that's the end. Now, I think with their cakes, they need some tea. So why don't we put the kettle on? Ready? Polly, put the kettle on. Polly, put the kettle on. Polly, put the kettle on. We'll all have tea. Suki, take it off again. Suki, take it off again. Suki, take it off again. They've all gone away. Our next story is about the Perlorian cats on a very busy day by Suzanne Green. And these are special cats who like having their picture taken and wearing outfits. But your cat doesn't like that, I don't think. So let's read about their busy day. I have nothing to wear on cleaning day. I am going to make an apron. I love to sew. I wonder what my brothers will wear. I'd better finish this. What do you think? Don't I look perfect? Mother is finally home from shopping. What has happened here? take off this apron and clean up this mess. There is so much to do. First, we must sweep the floor. Then, we must wash the windows. As soon as we make lunch, we can eat. Boy, are we tired. Your father would be proud of how you worked. Now go play. I wonder if Mouse wants to play with us. Come and play with us, Mouse. Isn't this fun? We have to go to bed now. It's been a busy day. Mother reads us a story. And it's off to sleep. Good night. And now it's time for us to say goodbye too. Can we sing our goodbye song? Ready? Goodbye, goodbye, everyone. Story time was so much fun.